Shenzhen-based drone maker DJI dominates the industry in the United States. It currently commands more than 50% of the U.S. drone market, according to the Federal Communications Commission, a fact that has raised alarm in Washington with both Republican and Democratic lawmakers alike.
Really what separates a DJI drone from a lot of the other drones on the market for me is their flight software.
Enthusiasts like Billy Kyle review drones on YouTube and can receive a commission when viewers buy DJI products through links on their channel.
Another thing that DJI really kind of leads the industry in is their transmission systems. So just like that connection from the remote to the drone is so much more stable with DJI's drones.
But DJI's market dominance has many in Washington asking, could those drones be used to gather sensitive data on millions of Americans? In 2020, the Trump administration put DJI on the Entity List, restricting its ability to buy components from U.S. suppliers. And the Biden administration is keeping up the pressure.
What do you think about the concern that all the data that DJI collects with its drones ends up back on servers in China that the Chinese government has access to?
You know, there is that side, and there's also the side of DJI that says that, you know, they've performed third-party audits, they've had people come through and check their software, and that they don't share that information with the Chinese government. The truth will come out in the future, right? There will be something that exposes either side. Maybe there's something found in the app that shows that DJI is transmitting that data, or maybe there's something that they do that can finally prove themselves that they're not sharing that information, you know? It's tough to tell exactly what's happening.
To allay concerns about snooping, DJI offers a local data mode that prevents the transmission of all drone data over the internet.
Mavic 3 features a stunning...
But with the data battle at the heart of U.S.-China competition over the coming decades, policymakers are becoming more convinced of the threat posed by what one FCC commissioner called a potential Huawei on wings. And any moves by regulators to end new authorizations could potentially cripple DJI's U.S. operation.